While I'm still trying to rest a little bit more, Yòrùbá nation is not going back. Not going back. No, ni agbára Elédùmarè. Ó kù díẹ̀. Bó fẹ́ bọ́kọ̀ àwa la ní sí àgbẹ̀yìn. Ojú ló ń kán ìbòjí. Òun ń bọ̀ níbẹ̀. Òun ó ń bọ̀ níbẹ̀. Lágbára Elédùmarè. Everybody knows that Nigeria is a failed country, but everyone is living in denial. Very soon, the economy will continue to bite as many more Nigerians. You have 130 million of you that are currently living in abject poverty. You cannot even have, a breakfast like bread and butter with jam. And yet, you keep shouting one Nigeria. You shouted Say Baba for 8 years. You have started shouting Emilokon as well. Well, we are here waiting. Time will tell whether Emilokon will provide food in the kitchen for you and your loved ones, like I am doing presently. Whether it will provide the security. We saw what happened on Sunday. I've just been told that the numbers of people that died in that accident are more than 30. We saw what happened in Benue State. Everybody is living in denial. But time go tell. Now time go tell you, me, I not go anywhere. I dey here. Yòrùbá nation, now in the final solution, whether you like it or not. Koiki Media, bringing the world closer to your doorstep while I continue to take my rest.